Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the project overview of Sahil Luxton, which is located near Shani Mandir Road, Datwadi, Wakad, Pune, and is developed by Sahil Properties. As you can see, I am standing in front of the sales office. And the road being shown to you right now is the Shani Mandir Road, which is in front of the sales office. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which are project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the developers, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview. The Sahil Luxton will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel which will be having 3 towers, in which you will be getting 2 basement plus ground plus 2 podium plus 33 floors, which will be having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. As you can see in front of me is the land parcel of the project where the construction is still going on. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. The Sahil Luxton is located beside Indra School near Shani Mandir Road, Datwadi, Wakad, Pune. As you can see, the road in front of the sales office is the Shani Mandir Road, जो प्रोजेक्ट के राइट साइड से आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे से, और प्रोजेक्ट के लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है मारुंजी से. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है मुंबई बेंगलुरु हाईवे विच इज जस्ट 250 मीटर्स अवे, इंदिरा स्कूल विच इज 1 किलोमीटर अवे एंड फीनिक्स मॉल ऑफ मिलेनियम विच इज 3.3 किलोमीटर्स अवे. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट 3D मॉडल. दिस प्रोजेक्ट हैज़ ओवर 30 प्लस लग्जरियस एमिनिटीज़ सच एज रूफटॉप एक्वा थिएटर, चिल्ड्रंस प्ले एरिया, वेल इक्विप्ड जिम, पार्टी लॉन, योगा डेक, pickleball court and many more. Now, let me tell you about the carpet area of the project. This project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, in which you will be getting 2 BHK starting from 753 to 809 square feet, 3 BHK starting from 1027 to 1162 square feet, and 4 BHK which has 1457 square feet carpet area. Now, let us discuss the booking process. Project token window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they may proceed with the token process. You have 2 types of token here, which is gold token which is for 51,000 and diamond token which is for 1,50,000. So everyone, this was the project overview of Sahil Luxton, which is located near Shani Mandir Road, Datwadi, Wakad, Pune, and is developed by Sahil Properties. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.